This is a short video, guys. Roland Blase. This is Kompa keyboardschool.com. So what am I doing, guys? What key are we in? The key of C. Now in the key of C, what is our progression here? We're doing the regular and A. For you, those of you guys who don't know, the and A is basically 1-5 or 1-2, but this is your real progression. Watch me, guys. C, which is your 1, F, which is your 4, G, which is your 5, F, which is your C, and back to C again. So what am I doing? I put a nice solo sound on, a beautiful one. I think it was this one. Yeah, this one is for more speed up type of solos. So in this progression, what am I doing? What technique am I using, guys? I'm doing the 3 to the 4, the note in front of my passing chord leading to my passing chord. So what's my passing chord when I say passing chord? Passing chord, so you know your progression is C, F, G, F. My passing chord is F. So my lead note to get to the F could be the E, the G, the B, or the D. These could lead to any note in the F. But what am I doing? I'm doing the first note that's in front of the F here, like da, 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 da. And what do? I go to a note in the F, which is the F. Then I go pa 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 pa. I'm hitting the higher octave. Pa, 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 pa. So let's put the sound on so you guys can see what I'm doing. You saw that, guys? So it's 1, 5. So that's my passing chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And you could do that in any other chord progression. We're going to get into other chord progressions with this technique. This is a technique I just realized today. But we're going to learn this in other progressions, guys. So let's go ahead and play it along with the beat, because it sounds nice no matter what you do around this. Or you can do something like this, something slow, like. However you want to do it around it, but if you use that passing chord, it's good. And you can also come up with different rhythms for this passing chord, like. As long as you're using this lead note right in front of your passing chord to get to the passing chord. Now I can show you how to do this in the minor and other progressions, but we're going to save that for other videos. In the meantime, let's try to practice different styles of this with the beat on, guys. Woo! get the point. So this That's your passing chord. Whatever, guys. This is Roland Blase signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play, and we've just released the official beginners Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.
Listen up, guys. If you need Kompa sounds, just go to kompakeyboardschool.com. Here you'll find all the Kompa sounds you need. Let's go ahead and click on it. Not only will you see courses and a few tips on lessons, if you continue scrolling, you'll see the main stage solo sounds, including some guitar sounds, the Mod X sounds. You keep scrolling, you see a drum kit. You'll see guitar samples. You'll see the Roland XV5080 card, which is mailed out. So you can also go to free downloads. There's the new TAZ guitar sample for the Mod X. And you go to Kompa Sounds, pretty much the same thing on the home page you can see in the Kompa Sounds section. So go to kompakeyboardschool.com. You will find all the Kompa sounds you need. Now guys, please like and subscribe the video. So that it can be shared throughout YouTube. And if you do want to learn Kompa, if you need some Kompa lessons, the YouTube channel is full of them. Please reach out via email and go to kompakeyboardschool.com where you'll find your source of everything you need for Kompa. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Roland Blase signing out.